Hi all, welcome to Technical RPA. This video we are going to discuss about in Blueprism what is business object library, and the second thing is dynamic process execution. There is two things we have to learn. So first thing is what is business object library. Suppose you are starting your development. Now you are going to check what are all the objects, business objects or BBOs you are going to use for your process. So that particular business object name. So what are the actions you are going to use, launch or attach or exit. So what is the input for your business object? Suppose that is Excel. So what is the input? What is the output? Suppose you are completed your process of the particular business object. What is the output? And how and which version it would be used. These five options has to be included in business object library. And the second thing is, which means reusability. So what is the, if you are using business object, so what is the reusability of your particular action and input output, everything will contain on it, including version. So reusability is, suppose your business object has, we can create every business objects with reusability. Suppose if the particular business subject, suppose you are having cell index, getting cell index, the same cell index we can use for Excel and CSV. That type of reusability we can have. So in that case, business object library always added with reusability. If you are not reusing, then probably that object library has to be defined differently. So this is the way you have to mention your libraries. Yeah, the second thing is what is the dynamic process execution. Suppose, see, dynamic process execution is nothing, it's all about scheduling. Suppose you are the scheduling with different techniques. Suppose your client has some different environment and your client is using some third party scheduler. They don't want to use your Blueprism or AA or UiPath schedulers because your client has some service level agreements, or else your client has already used some other schedulers. They don't want to use your scheduler with the license or resource constraint, some of the issues. So in that case, the dynamic process execution will come into the picture. In that case, how the process will be execution. The first thing is scheduler. Your Blueprism or AA scheduler has client has not accepted, the probably their scheduler has to be linked up with our BP scheduler. There is two things. One thing is we can use the command line interface using automate c.exe, and second thing is sub process scheduling. That is the different methodology we can see in next video. See, this dynamic process execution will come into the picture only your client does not want to use your process scheduler like Blueprism scheduler. If you are using Blueprism, they have scheduler. If they don't want to use, then dynamic process execution will come into the process into the picture, and you have to link up with their scheduler with your process. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this. We can see some other ideas in our next video.